Hello students, hoping you all are doing well. Today we have to start our first topic, that is light. Another name of light is optics. Now what is light? Light is a form of invisible energy through which we can see anything or we can sight anything. What would happen if the light is not there? Suppose we are in a dark room and we cannot see anything. So there is a basic principle in which the light is reflect back when it strike on any reflecting surface. This phenomena is called as reflection of light. First is reflection of light. Now we also know light is travel in a straight path. This is known as, or this is called as, rectilinear propagation of light. In rectilinear propagation of light, light always travel in a straight path. This also we can say it is a ray. This arrow indicates that light is travel in this direction. This is only a single line representation. If we combine the parallel rays or more than 2 or 3 rays, this is also called a bunch of rays or bundle of rays. This is called, also known as photon. This is also called as photon. If the reflection is there is a basic principle. If reflection, it's reflect back with a polished surface. What is polished surface? We have taken example of plane mirror. This is a symbolic notification of plane mirror. We write as M and M dash. This surface is called as reflecting surface. Reflecting surface. And this is called as non-reflecting surface. This is called as non-reflecting surface. This is a mirror, this one is reflecting surface, this one is non-reflecting surface. When any ray makes an angle and it incident on this surface, this is called incident ray. This is A, point considered as point A, this we considered as point O. So we can say AO is an incident ray. And point O, which is lies on a mirror or any reflecting surface, this is called as point of incidence. Point of incidence. When this point of incidence, we make an angle of 90 degree, this is called as normal or perpendicular. Normal or perpendicular. Why it is make a normal? It's make an angle with the reflecting surface, it is 90 degree. So it is called a normal or perpendicular. With this point of incidence, if the incident ray strike on this point, it's reflect back or bounce back, then it is called a reflected ray. Then it is called as reflected ray. That is called as reflected ray. It will make a two angle. This is angle I and this is angle R. Now, what is angle I? Angle I is called as angle of incidence. And angle R is called as angle of reflection. Now, what is angle of incidence and angle of reflection? The angle is made between the incident ray and normal. It is called as angle of incidence, and angle of reflection is made between the normal and reflected ray. That is called as angle of reflection. Clear? Then the next is, if it is not compulsory, then it is always in a straight path. Suppose it is a curved path. This path is also called as convex surface. If light is strike on this is an incident ray. We consider that this is normal, then again it is reflected ray. Clear? This is a convex surface. If this is a concave surface, this is incident ray, this is normal and this is reflected ray. This one is reflected ray, this one is incident ray. On the basis of this, there are two basic principles which are follows in the laws of reflection. First, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at a point of incidence all lies in a same plane. This is rule number 1 or law number 1. The incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at a point of incidence all lies in a same plane. Second law, angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. Always, this angle of incidence is always equals to angle of reflection. Whether the surface is reflecting, plane, convex, concave, it always follow the angle of incidence is always equals to angle of reflection. Clear? So, that's all for today. I will get you back with another next topic, that is images and the image formed by the plane mirror. Thank you students. I hope you like the video.